Achieving your goals in life will make you happy. In order to the balance of work and play, set goals and make sure you accomplish them. Make your plans, set your goals and get them accomplished. We believe customer care must be strategic. This means both identifying long-term or overall goals for customer care and laying out how those goals will be achieved. I love the idea that we all have a comfort zone, a place where we feel capable and at ease, but that stretching outside this comfort zone is critical in many cases for achieving our goals. Your subconscious mind can help you achieve goals, eliminate bad habits and replace them with good ones, improve your self-image, be more creative, become a faster learner, and so much more. Always continue to strive to improve, even if you achieve your goals in life. You have the ability right now to achieve more than you ever have before, as long as you incorporate 3 essential mental skills into your life: clarity, focus, and concentration. Goals allow you to be in control by setting the direction of change. Success is easy to achieve once you set your mind on a specific goal. You can learn any skill you need to learn to achieve any goal you can set for yourself. With a powerful desire, with a strong determination, and with a commitment to yourself, you can find ways to achieve your goals and overcome challenges. In achieving your goals, you may run into roadblocks. Don't let that stop you, go around, over, or under. If you are committed to your goal, you will find a way. A lot of people want to see you achieve your goal. Allow them to guide and assist you. Big or small achievements can help a lot in your goal to live with confidence all the time. A mentor can offer advice and assistance and help you to keep on track and achieve your goals. Why not make your goals a part of your life so you can start achieving them with daily habits? And very important, don't be discouraged if you are unable to reach your goal when you thought you should. Realign or rethink your action plan and begin again towards achieving your goal or end result.